Welcome to Alan's Trains. This is an unboxing and review. This is an item I obtained from eBay. And it is a train. How about that? Looking around at the end of the box, we see his little faces in there, and he's Sherlock Holmes. Round on the back of the box it says Bakerloo. Bakerloo is in the name of an underground railway line in London which went from Baker Street to Waterloo. Let's get him out of his box, shall we? And there he is. Let's get him on the turntable and have a look at him. Now here he is on the turntable. First thing you notice is there's no interior detail, but he has a great face on the front. He seems to be wearing a sort of a cloth cap. He has a monocle and has a rather sanguine expression on his face. He does look a bit like Bertrand Russell to me. Going round to the rear, you notice this has standard tension lock couplings, and you can actually buy additional coaches. If you look here, you can see there's a standard tension lock coupling. On the side there is a underground Ernie roundel. The roof vents are moulded and not painted, so it has real roof vents, although no interior detail. Looking at it underneath there's one freewheeling bogie and one power bogie. This power bogie it did once have traction tyres, but it appears that they have now disintegrated there. Now the moment of truth, letting he run. Let's get him on the track. Let's get his coach. Well, he goes.